Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 341 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation that I got from Ulta recently. This is only $9. It comes in 18 different shades. I chose the shade F4. And that's the same shade that I have my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in. And this foundation right here is one of my absolute favorite foundations I've ever used. It's my absolute go-to now. It looks so perfect on my skin, which is why I wanted to try out this stick formula. I still really want to try out the concealer of this, so hopefully I'll get my hands on that pretty soon. But anyways, I have pretty high expectations for this stick foundation here because I love the liquid foundation so much. But honestly, I have not had much luck with stick foundations in general, so I'm definitely still on the search for a great stick foundation. So maybe this right here will be my solution. Ooh, I really like the packaging on this. It's got this like matte beige packaging with the rose gold accent. Really cute. Oh, so pretty even once I take the cap off. And let's see. I'm really curious how much product comes in here. I want to be careful that I don't break it. Okay, so that's it twisted up completely to the top. For $9, that does not feel like much product. So hopefully a little bit will go a long way. Since it does only come with a little bit of product, I don't even want to waste it by swatching it on my hand. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my face. I did already prime my skin, and today I used the LA Color Smoothing Face Primer in the clear color that's supposed to minimize pores. I actually love this primer. I found this at the Dollar Tree, so it's only $1. I'll link my video down below of my review of this primer if you want to see it. But so I'll get in a little bit closer so that you can see my skin before I'm applying the foundation. I have redness, I want to cover up some blemishes, large pores, so we're going to see how this stick foundation looks and how it covers up all of that. And it does say that you can blend it in using your fingers, a makeup sponge, or a brush. So I'll start out trying with my finger, but I'm going to move on to using my makeup sponge in a little bit. But this does have a very blendable, creamy texture. Yay, and that looks like a perfect shade match for me. I'm glad that the shades are the same in this one and the liquid foundation, because then I can know that that F4 shade is my perfect shade in all of the Makeup Revolution lines. But so right away, I'm liking how this is looking on my chin. It's giving me good coverage and it's looking so smooth and natural with its finish and its texture. So it really doesn't even look like there's makeup on my chin. So I love that. And I do tend to get dry on my chin too. So the fact that this is not emphasizing any dry patches is really good. And I do think it blended out fine using my finger, but it's just so much quicker when I apply with a sponge and blend it out with a sponge. I feel like I can cover so much area so much faster. Yeah, so that is still blending out really nicely when I use my dampen. This is the Real Techniques sponge. I love this sponge. If you want to see my review on this sponge, I will also link that video down below. And so right now I feel like I have, I would say, light to medium coverage, definitely not full coverage right now. I can see a lot of redness still showing through on my cheeks, but it is sitting so beautifully on my skin, looks so smooth, doesn't look the least bit cakey or textured. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more and try and build up that coverage on my cheeks. And also I really like how easily it glides on when I am just swiping it across my skin. It really is so smooth and like a creamy texture. Oh yeah, look at that. I was able to build up that coverage, and now I feel like I do have more of that full coverage And the redness is, I would say, fully covered. And so I also have large pores on my cheek, so I'm checking to see how it looks on my pores. And it's looking good. It's looking very smooth. And what I also like about this stick foundation is that you can use it as a cream contour and highlight. So by getting a few shades deeper, you could do some nice contouring, a few shades lighter, do your highlighting. I would love to try that out, so maybe I'll try and pick up some other shades of this. Okay, so here I wanted to do a split view. My face with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation applied versus my skin without it. The difference is amazing. This side looks perfected. Even as I'm looking so up close with my mirror here, my skin looks amazing. It doesn't look like there's foundation on my skin. It just looks like I have perfect skin. And the finish here, it's a little bit dewy. So my skin looks very healthy, hydrated, but it doesn't look oily, shiny. So I'm really happy with this finish. Oh, so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. And the pigment's pretty good. I do feel like I'm going to be able to make that amount of product that comes in it last me, I would hope for a few months worth. Hopefully it doesn't only last for 1 month. But if I'm using this as a daily foundation, I do think that I will go through it pretty quickly because as you just saw, it took 3 swipes across my face to just blend out the cheek and jaw area, and then I do like to go over it with like a few more swipes to then build up the coverage where I need it. So I am using quite a bit of this product. So that's kind of one of my only downsides, is that I wish that it did come with more product. At least it's very affordable, especially compared to some of those other stick foundations out there. Just wow, I had never found a stick foundation that I liked. I didn't know if I ever would, but I have. I am so happy about this. So now the foundation is completely applied and it just looks amazing. I'm so happy with how my skin looks. I feel so confident with how my skin looks too. I feel like I can go out in any situation and just feel like my makeup looks great. It doesn't look like I'm wearing full coverage, full face of foundation, because my skin just looks so naturally beautiful, naturally evened out, smooth, radiant. I can't say enough great things about this product. I also love that it's so travel friendly. This is so compact. Definitely when I travel, this is going to be the foundation that I bring with me, because I don't have to worry about it spilling out in my bag, taking up a lot of space. So I love that. I do have some fun travel plans coming up. I'm going to Nashville, I'm going up to Maine, so this is going to be coming along with me, and I'm so happy I have it for that now. And now I know that I just need to try out more and more products from Makeup Revolution, because it's slowly but surely becoming one of my new favorite makeup brands. So I would love to know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for other products from Makeup Revolution that you think I should try out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.